Alright guys, as we discussed yesterday, we was looking for short after breaking this session. So here I can see this blue area. This is called a yesterday session, and finally price opened a gap down. All right, and broke this session. And another that was buyer territory from here to this level, and finally they broke this buyer territory and they formed seller territory, as I said. So means we are looking for short only. So where exactly we will see we'll short. So this is the 5-minute time frame. So basically we use 5-minute time frame as a wave. So another pullback, these pieces we use 1-minute chart. So in that case we are using price action method. Let me explain here. Let's say this is the 5-minute wave. So where price goes doesn't matter. So when pullback, so we'll see in a 1-minute chart. So let's say 1-minute chart is moving like that, then like that. And this one, my key area, this is called breakout the structure, and this is called supply zone. So basically I'm focusing on near breakout the structure or near supply zone. So in this area we need a price action method. So what type of price action we need? Let's say goes like, and then in a 1-minute chart goes like, pullback, goes like, pullback, goes like, and form this type of pattern. Like now they are creating lower low. So that will be my sell opportunity, and I'll chase 1:3. So let's say in a single move price goes here, very strong move. So we are not looking for buy. All right. Sorry, we are not looking for short. So we need that trend. They are forming lower low, that type of 1-minute time frame. So one forms near this level or this level. So definitely we short. All right. So now I can see price are giving little bit pullback, and basically I'm focusing on a sell. So once they break this area, so I'll be a buyer, not now. Okay. So thanks and have a great day.